Imagine a place where India's bravest are forged. Not in battle, but before it. Deep inside Madhya Pradesh lies Tekanpur, home to one of India's most advanced security training institutions, BSF Academy and RJIT. Tekanpur isn't just a town. It's where grit meets intellect. It's where tomorrow's border heroes are carved. Whether you dream of defending the border or building the next tech marvel, Tekanpur is a place where future is made. Here's how it transforms civilians into elite protectors of our nation. Hello and welcome viewers, you're watching National Security with your host Kriti Mishra. In the previous episodes of National Security, we have shown you how exactly the BSF has produced top-class officers, soldiers and warriors. But in this episode, we'll show you how the BSF is producing top-class engineers and technocrats to contribute to the larger goal of national development. This will be a mesmerizing episode. Come along. Rustomjee Institute of Technology, or RJIT, is an institute run by the Border Security Force. The institute offers 6 undergraduate and 4 postgraduate courses. Many of the students studying here are children of soldiers who have sacrificed their lives while defending the nation at the borders. Others are children whose fathers are always away serving the country. The vigilant BSF personnel stationed under challenging conditions along India's harsh borders are always ready to safeguard the nation. Be it in the scorching heat of Kutch or the icy chill of Kashmir, these soldiers stand firm with full dedication to foil every evil attempt of the enemy. However, due to the nature of their duties, arranging quality higher education for their children becomes extremely difficult. To address this, the Rustomjee Institute of Technology was established within the BSF Academy in Tekanpur with the aim of providing quality technical education to the children of these brave soldiers. Founded in 1999, this institute has helped thousands of students realize their dreams over the past 25 years. It is the only institute in India run by a central paramilitary force, that is, the BSF, with the sole purpose of offering higher technical education to the children of security personnel, including those who have laid down their lives for the country.
BSF एकेडमी के अंदर एक रुस्तमजी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी है, जो एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है जिसमें इंजीनियरिंग की हर तरह की पढ़ाई होती है और ये एक वेलफेयर मेजर के तौर पे तैयार किया गया था, जिसमें हमारे शहीदों के बच्चे, हमारे सोल्जर्स के बच्चे एडमिशन लेते हैं। उसके साथ साथ हमारा एक पॉलिटेक्निकल कॉलेज भी है, उसमें भी हमारे सोल्जर्स के बच्चे एडमिशन लेते हैं। और वेलफेयर मेजर के साथ साथ ये हमारी नेशनल सिक्योरिटी में भी बहुत बड़ी मदद करता है, इसकी एक अहम भूमिका रहती है। जितनी भी हमारी समस्याएं हमें बॉर्डर पे हैं, जितनी भी हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी की समस्याएं हैं, हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी के चैलेंजेस हैं, हमारी फील्ड में जितने भी फोर्सेज हैं, जितने भी फ्रंटियर हैं, जिनको जो जो समस्याएं आती हैं उनको हम कलेक्ट करते हैं और हम RJIT के स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं कि इन समस्याओं का समाधान ढूंढो। और वो इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट अपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं उन समस्याओं के ऊपर और उसका सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं। तो उसमें वो ऑन प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर सकते हैं और उनको प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करने का अनुभव मिलता है जो मुझे लगता है कि देश में किसी भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के पास ये फैसिलिटी नहीं है।
Notably, RJIT student Kapil Arora registered his name in the Golden Book of World Records by typing the Roman alphabet in just 1.967 seconds, bringing immense pride to the institution. Another student created a pencil from a newspaper. Students from RJIT have built robots, solar-powered vehicles, and have won several awards. They continue to progress steadily in their overall development.
हम NITs और IITs में जो टेक फेस्ट होते हैं उसके कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पार्टिसिपेट करके बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स उसमें हम लेते हैं। उसके अलावा सिन्वेस्टो यूनिट जो है BSF की, उसका हमने एक स्मार्ट मल्टी बैरल लॉन्चर जो एक प्रोजेक्ट है उसका एडवांसमेंट हमने पूरा कंप्लीट किया है और उसका प्रोडक्ट तैयार किया है। इसके अलावा हम BSF के द्वारा जो कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए जाते हैं उसे भी हम कंप्लीट करते हैं AI ML और इन सब चीज़ों का यूज़ करके।
I am very excited to share that I have been placed in the Trident Group at a reputable package of 12 LPA. Apart from this, I am very thankful, sincerely thankful to the TNP department for providing us with multiple opportunities to gain experiences through the interviews in top IT companies such as TCS, Infosys, HCL Tech, Siemens, and many more.
It's my privilege and honor to join this kind of institution. This institution gives me so many things. First of all, steadiness, smartness and coordination.
I am proud to be a part of this RGIT family. That RGIT is like one of the only paramilitary colleges established in India. So basically talking about our college, like our college is not like a place that spoon feeds us. Instead it challenges us.
Over the past 25 years, thousands of students have graduated with Bachelor of Engineering degrees and are now working in government, private and public sector and multinational companies, making both RJIT and the nation proud. It is a welfare institution that operates on a no-profit, no-loss basis. Its primary objective is to provide excellent and affordable technical education. The annual fees are significantly lower than other colleges. Children of personnel from other Central Armed Police Forces like CRPF, ITBP, SSB, CISF and Madhya Pradesh Police also study here, with special fee concessions provided for the children of martyrs and soldiers.
हमारे यहाँ पर बहुत सारी जो कंपनियां हैं वो प्लेसमेंट के लिए भी आती हैं और हम अपने बच्चों को जो यहाँ पे कम खर्चे में बहुत अच्छी जो विश्व स्तरीय की जो टेक्निकल एजुकेशन देने में समर्थ हुए हैं।
The institute also offers hostel facilities for students coming from different states, most of whom belong to villages, towns and small cities. These students, after completing 12th with mathematics, come to RJIT with dreams of reaching new heights, and through 4 years of hard work, earn engineering degrees and enter esteemed positions across various sectors. Since its inception in 1999, and due to a special provision by the Madhya Pradesh government, 50% of the seats have been reserved for native students of Madhya Pradesh. These students, too, come from different towns and villages and are realizing their dreams through RJIT. BSF Polytechnic is a premier technical institute established in 1988 with the prime objective of imparting quality technical education to the children of BSF personnel. The diploma course is being run primarily for the wards of BSF personnel as a welfare measure. The institute's prime objective is to mold out highly ethical, knowledgeable and virtuous engineers who can shoulder the responsibility of the nation not only in the realm of engineering but also in facing the daily challenges of the worldly affairs. The institute offers 2 diploma courses, Diploma in Automobile Engineering and Diploma in Mechanical Engineering with an intake of 60 seats in each branch. The students from all over India can take admission in this institute. Besides the 60 seats, 12 seats can be filled through lateral entry in second year and 30 more seats are available under the Working Professionals Scheme. The institute has an excellent placement record. All these students of the institute are well placed in renowned companies of the country. The prime recruiters are Maruti Suzuki, Audi, Volvo, Subros and Humans. The institute has a concrete and multifaceted alumni base. Tata Motors has also set up a training center for providing training to the students of diploma.
Our prime recruiters are Maruti Suzuki, Volvo India, Audi, Cummins India Limited, Jindal Steel, Suzlon, etc. The list is endless, I can say that. Besides this, the alumni base is very concrete and multifaceted. The institute is also having a regional center of Tata Motors, where the students can fill the gap between the academic learning and the industrial training.
The Central School of Motor Transport, that is CSMT, located at the Border Security Force Academy in Tekanpur, stands as a premier institution dedicated to imparting specialized training in the field of motor transport. Established as a center of excellence, it plays a crucial role in enhancing the operational efficiency of BSF personnel and other Central Armed Police Forces, state police organizations, and international trainees. CSMT was raised in January 1963 by MP Police at Sagar. It was taken over by Border Security Force in 1971 and shifted at Tekanpur, Gwalior in 1979. The CSMT has been tasked to fabricate a low-cost ATV which can maneuver in the area of Run of Kutch. After persistent hard work for 3 months, this institution was successful in fabrication of ATV, which was named as Ranveer. In another milestone, MOU has been signed between CSMT and Tata Motors after the approval of DGBSF to set up an advanced commercial vehicle repair and maintenance training lab at the CSMT.
CSMT is the unique and only institution in the VSF which impart training to the force personnel for the driving and maintenance and roadworthiness of the MT fleet. We train all ranks including officers, subordinate officers and other ranks. We have various type of training schedules. Like one, you can see that recovery of the vehicle, driving by using all vehicles including bike, medium vehicle, light vehicle and heavy vehicles. We are also recognized as a quality training center to impart training to the supervisors by ISO certification in 2015 and other forces and friendly countries.
The institute is also maintaining 2 vintage cars. It served the erstwhile provincial government of Central Province in 1930 and rendered services to the British governors. It had also given a right of pride to many viceroys, including Lord Wavell and Lord Mountbatten. Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad had also graced its seats. The institute continues to evolve with advancements in vehicle technology and transport management, ensuring that its trainees are equipped with latest skills and knowledge. Through this rigorous and structured training programs, CSMT remains committed to preparing personnel for the dynamic and challenging demands of motor transport operations in security and law enforcement sectors. In conclusion, it would not be wrong to say that the BSF not only protects the nation's borders 365 days a year, but also provides quality engineering education. It is equally fair to say that these institutions are a return gift to the children of BSF personnel and other security forces, shaping India's future. Well, viewers, that's all we had for you in this edition. With camera persons Jitendra Negi and Junaid Iqbal Khan, I'm Kriti Mishra signing off from Tekanpur.
watch more programs of Sunset TV, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share them.